Due to the extreme and dangerous conditions inside the volcano, the team dropped cameras into the crater for an hour at a time. During one drop, in which the camera reached depths of 147 feet 45 meters, the researchers were astounded to see not one, but two shark species swimming in the crater. This included the scalloped hammerhead and the silky shark, in addition to a sixgill stingray, snapper fish, jellyfish and other marine life. Mr. Phillips told Carolyn Barnwell at National Geographic, "These large animals are living in what you have to assume is much hotter and much more acidic water. It makes you question what type of extreme environment these animals are adapted to. What sort of changes have they undergone? Are there only certain animals that can withstand it?" Kavachi is what's known as a shallow submarine volcano off the coast of Vangunu Island. It is one of the most active submarine volcanoes in the Pacific and also has the name Kavachi, which means Kavachi's oven. The first reports of its activity were recorded in 1939. There have been at least 11 significant eruptions since the late 1970s, and two, in 1976 and 1991, were so powerful they created new islands. Although these islands were not large enough to resist being eroded and ultimately became submerged. The frequent shallow submarine eruptions that sometimes breach the surface produce surtsey and activity, magma water explosions that eject jets of steam and ash above the surface. Scientists recently found that such underwater volcanoes, which were long assumed to ooze lava at relatively steady rates, in fact erupt in pulses. The study from Lamont Doherty Earth Observatory at Columbia University found that these submarine eruptions follow regular cycles that can range from just a couple of weeks to 100,000 years. And the researchers claim these eruptions appear to be linked to changes in the Earth's orbit that occurred over time. Volcanic eruptions are known to throw huge amounts of gas into the atmosphere, including carbon dioxide, that are thought to increase global warming. However, volcanoes also release aerosol gases that are now known to reduce global warming by creating the reflective barrier against the sun. Last September, marine biologists from University of Gothenburg in Sweden discovered that exposure to acidified water can cause changes in shark behavior. Acidified ocean water, caused by an increase in carbon dioxide, causes sharks to swim for longer periods without sleeping, and it can affect how well they smell their prey.